Breaking inputs coming in amid the family feud in Lalu Prasad Yadav's parivar. Elder son Tej Pratap appears to be sending feelers to the NDA. He says they are ready to support the NDA, and he also says that he wants Rohini Acharya to be the convener of his party. Further says Jai Chands will pay. Let's go across to Mohit, who is joining us in the broadcast with more details. Remember, Tej Pratap in his first reaction also said Jai Chando ne party ko पूरी तरह से बर्बाद कर दिया है. Today once again he is hinting at Jai Chands, but at the same time sending feelers to NDA.
Well, it's in fact Swati, Tej Pratap Yadav's party spokesperson Prem Yadav has spoken to Times Now. He said that we will support NDA, and he also stated that we appeal to our elder sister Rohini Acharya to become our party's convener. We need our elder sister's आशीर्वाद. रोहिणी के आंसुओं का एक एक कतरे का हिसाब होगा. And he has quoted Tej Pratap Yadav. So clearly these words are coming in from Tej Pratap Yadav. And we also need to understand, Swati, that how exactly Tej Pratap Yadav, when he left the party, he left his home, also raised questions on Jai Chands and how there are people from the outside who are breaking the family. And similarly, same allegations have been leveled by Rohini Acharya. And Rohini Acharya, while speaking to media in Delhi, almost broke down. And in fact, she broke down and she stated that I am not part of the family. Now, if a daughter who gave her kidney to her father says this thing, this is something which is very, very serious. And post the debacle of the RJD in the polls, what we see is that the family of Lalu Prasad Yadav is falling apart. Now, since then, since all these allegations have come in, we have not heard anything from Tejasvi Yadav. So we have to wait and watch whether we'll hear anything from Tejasvi Yadav, because these are serious allegations. When Rohini Acharya says that I was threatened to hit with a slipper, this is something which is very shocking. And now we see that a support has come in from Tej Pratap Yadav, Yadav's party. So now we see that whether we'll see Tej Pratap Yadav and Rohini Acharya aligning together or be part of the NDA, that is all the political aspect of it. But when it comes to Lalu's family, the RJD's family, RJD's first family, it seems everything is falling apart.
Absolutely. Mohit, one other thing, Rohini Acharya in the latest interview has said that all of this has happened at the behest of Tejasvi Yadav. She says, जाके तेजस्वी से पूछिए जिसके शय से ये सब कुछ हुआ है. So more, skeletons stumbling out.
Well, Swati, you see, Sanjay Yadav is a very close aide of Tejasvi Yadav. He has been given all the powers to run the party, to manage the party, manage the programs of the party, social media, and hence there were serious allegations against Sanjay Yadav. If Sanjay Yadav is doing something, then it is on the behest of Tejasvi Yadav. This is what Rohini Acharya means to say. And when I spoke to Sadhu Yadav, Swati, he clearly stated that nobody from the outside can do anything to the daughter of our family.
He also asked for Lalu Yadav and Tejasvi to introspect. Mohit, keep tracking all the developments for the moment. Thank you for getting us the details.